Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ifan bin Izlat. As we know, we have learned about the two analyses, which are fundamental analysis and technical analysis, right? So for today, I want to present about the fundamental analysis only for my task. Okay, we continue with the what is fundamental analysis. Okay, fundamental analysis refer to the analysis of the financial aspect of business like financial statement and financial ratio and other affecting the business to analyze the fair market value of each share or security. Okay, and then fundamental analysis aim to find the enterprise value of the company. It means arriving at its intrinsic value of stock. And then fundamental analysis is based on the long-term approach to evaluate the stock and suggest the analysis of data for the several year. Okay, this type of approach help the investor to select the stock for investment that value is expected to increase in the future. And the last one is fundamental analysis can help to decide whether stock is overvalued or undervalued based on its intrinsic value from the both past and present data in the financial statement. Okay, as we know, intrinsic value you can compare with the current market price to help you in the investment decision. Okay, for example, if the market price higher than intrinsic price, it means that stock is overvalued. So I recommend all of you to sell the stock in the higher price. And the last one is market price below the intrinsic value. So it means that stock is undervalued. So I recommended to all of you to buy the stock in the cheapest price. Okay, next we have a step to carry out fundamental analysis. So, if you obtain the fundamental analysis, you should perform all of these following analysis. For example, like company analysis, industry analysis, economic condition, and future profit outlook. Okay, we start with the company analysis first. Okay, company analysis is the process by which investor evaluate security, company profile, profitability, and its product and services for investment process. Okay, in the company analysis, we have a background and experience. Okay, for example, like the company is Sharia or non-Sharia. And then we have a strategy and planning. Strategy and planning, which are past record and goal, financial planning, process and merger and acquisition or partnership. And then we have a product and technology. For example, like online shopping, which we have a trademark and patent registration, supply and demand analysis, and unique selling point. And the last one is competition. Okay, competition which are market share, new entrant, and SWOT analysis. Okay, the second one is industry analysis. Okay, industry analysis is determine a company's position relative to other companies producing similar product or services in the same industry. Okay, in the industry analysis, we have a competitive forces model. Okay, competitive forces model, we have five, which are threats of potential entrants, bargaining power of buyers, bargaining power of suppliers, trade of substitute goods and services, and the last one is power of complementary goods and services providers. Okay, and then we have a broad factor analysis. Okay, broad factor analysis we have four, which are political, economic, uh, social, and technological. Okay, for the political, it's about the regulation, for example, like tax, uh, labor law, and trade policy. Okay, and then for the economic, it's include the inflation, exchange rate, and GDP growth. Okay, for the social, it's about the trend among people, which are fashion, behavior, and social movement. And the last one is technological. It's refer to the advanced technology, which is internet and machine that used by the company. And the last one we have the SWOT analysis. Okay, SWOT is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Okay, this SWOT analysis is to make sure your company is good and bad. Okay, the third one is economic condition, such as condition including GDP growth potential, the unemployment rate, inflation, and fiscal and monetary policy orientation. Okay, for the economic condition, we have a domestic economy and global economy. Okay, the meaning of the domestic economy is the theory and practice of household management. Okay, for the global economy, is referred to the interconnect worldwide economic activity that take place between multiple countries. Okay, for example, like positive and negative impact on the country involved. Okay, this economic condition have the important thing, which is GDP, gross domestic product, which is the total of value of output, good and services produced with an economy is given from the period of time. Okay, for the business industry, we have declining and growing GDP in the certain period. For example, like the higher the GDP, the better the financial performance for the company because of manufacturing product, the mining, electricity, and services are increased. So it means that increase in GDP will lead to the increase in purchasing power. Okay, the last one is future profit outlook, which are higher profit and lower profit. Okay, if you choose the good company with analysis data, you can get the higher profit. Okay, and then if you choose moderate or bad company without analysis their data, maybe you can get lower profit.